So we're moving today, and I just took a shower like half an hour ago, and we haven't left yet. And half my family is probably still asleep. And I had an orthodontist appointment yesterday because everybody has an orthodontist appointment for the move. And yeah. So I'm leaving now, today. I'm really nervous because first I'm going to my grandma's house until Saturday. And then from my grandma's house I'm going to Pennsylvania to the townhouse, which I'll be living until my new house is built, because we're building one. That's why I'm in the townhouse. And the estimated finish date is December 1st. And who knows, it might get done early, it might get done late. I just want it before Christmas, which probably will happen. So, first I gotta go to my grandma's. See you later.